Here's a life hack that nobody asked for, but I'm gonna teach you because I guarantee it'll be useful someday. How the heck do you put on compression stockings in less than 8 seconds? If you've ever tried to put these on, you know it's almost near impossible, but I'm gonna change that for you. Now, right now, you're probably like, I don't wear compression socks. Well, then send this to your grandma. But wait, I think everyone should wear compression stockings, and here's why. Varicose veins. The only way to prevent those is by wearing compression stockings when you're gonna be on your feet all day. Compression socks are also great for long flights to help prevent blood clots. Step 1, you're gonna put your hand into the sock and grab the heel, like you're making a puppet. You're making a frog here. All right, so here we go. And pinch at the heel, and then invert the top of the sock, pulling that out, and now you have an opening. All right? Now, take that opening and just put it on your feet. So fast.